Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an account with ESL Library, and then after you create the account, how you join a class, and then when you log out and log back in again, how do you go back to the same class or a class that you want to join or you want to see again. So the first thing you have to do is find ESL Library. If you don't remember the path that the teacher gave you, you can just search like ESL Library. So, and here you see some choices. As a student, you want to log into the student area. So I look down here and I see students. So I can click on students. You can also go directly to the student area by typing https://esllibrary.com/students. Remember, there are two L's in that path, ESL Library. So on this screen it says welcome student. So this assumes you do not yet have an account. So you don't want to log in yet because you don't have an account. So what you want to do is over here where it says sign up, you want to click on that. Then it will ask you for some information, like I'll put my name, and I won't give my complete name, just part of it. And then I will click on next. Here I can use the name it created for me, or you can make up your own name. So I'll make up the name Student Demo. And notice it doesn't like capital letters, so that's okay. So I click on next. Now I have to create a password. So I type, can be any password you want. They might have some rules, but after you're done typing in your password, make sure you write it down. And you also need to write down that username you created. So make sure you do that. Write down your username and your password. Next, do you want to add an email address? If you lose your password, we can send you an email to reset it. So if you don't have a good memory, if you lose all your passwords, then it would be a good idea to type in an email here so you can get a new password so you don't have to create a new account over and over. So I'm going to say no because I know what this is, so I'm just going to say no. Now they say I agree to the terms of use. I am 13 years or older, so I'm definitely over 13, and I click on next. Almost done. Now choose an avatar, choose an animal. I'm going to choose the bear and click on next. Okay, and here in case you forgot, your username is, and that's the name that I chose. It says, are you ready to start learning? Yes, I am. So the next thing we have to do is join a class, because now at this point you only have an account with ESL Library. Here you did not yet join my class. So you have to click on join a class. Here is where you'll enter the class code that I gave you. So this is the code that I used for my class recently. It's HDRKP7. So that was the code. And now I'm going to click on join right here. It says join. All right, so you are now in P. Bresnahan's class. You're in my class. Congratulations. If you want, you can go directly to the assignments, but let's take a look at the dashboard to see what that looks like. So I'm going to click on Go to Dashboard. And this is what it looks like for you for this class. It says, hi Pat, we're glad you're here. And this is some more information about your account, because you might have other teachers, you might have other classes that you want to join. In fact, if you were in a different class over the summer, but you have an account, this is where you could join another class. In any case, this is your to-do list. This is what you need to do. And this is the assignment that is due on September 25th for the ESL classes. So you click on this assignment, and there you are. You can start all of the parts of the assignment. All right, so let's say you don't have time this is a lot to do in one day. It might take you a couple of days to do this. So you might do a little bit of work and then want to take a break. So it's good to log out. So I'm going to click on log out. All right, so I'm back, and I'm just going to shut this completely down. And now let's say, all right, so now I want to go back to work. So, and I don't remember the path. I type ESL Library. Oh, there it is. Oh, it brought me right there. So here, I'm at where I want to be, and it says you can either log in or sign up. You already signed up. You don't need to sign up again. What you want to do is log in. So you click on log in, and you are a student. So you click on as a student. And this is where you now want to log in. So here is the login screen. You see up here where it says sign up? You don't want to do that again. Don't sign up again. Use the old login and password that you created. So the one I created was student demo, and I created a password for this. So here I am going to click on log in. Again, do not click on sign up. You already have an account. Only click on log in. Okay. All right, so you're already here and you're already in the class. So it's possible that you might have more than one class. I'm not sure what that would look like. But in any case, this is where you are. And you can click on the assignments, and here we are. In the assignments, you can go back to the assignment and finish the work that you didn't do. Okay, and when you're done, it's a good idea always to log out. Log out. All right, so I hope this was helpful. So remember, the first time when you created an account, you use sign up, but then the next time you come back, you don't have to create a new account. You just log in again. All right, so that should do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.